Hey guys, I'm going to make broccoli and cheese soup with a twist, and come join me. So I already put olive oil and garlic in a big old pot. I'm about to show you right now so you can see. See that? That's how much you need. Then the next step is, once that's heating up, put some salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna add some potatoes. Alright guys, so do you hear that? Sizzling. The garlic is sizzling. Now I chopped it a chunky because I'm gonna blend it anyway. So now I'm gonna put my potatoes, about this much, baby potatoes. Throw them in there. Woohoo! You hear that? Okay. So I'm gonna let that cook a bit. I am going to throw in some chicken broth, and I'm gonna let the potatoes cook. Once it's done, then I'm going to add the broccoli, and then I'm going to blend it. Okay. Chicken broth. I'm gonna make a big serving, so I'm just gonna add this whole container in here. Okay, that's it. And I'm just gonna let this chill here for a bit. Not literally, because you know the fire's on, but cook it up. I'm just gonna show you how. So it looks like this. All good, and it looks amazing. Alright, so this is gonna boil up, it's gonna cook, and I'm gonna put a lid on it. I interrupt this video to show you celery and hummus. We're gonna take a little break. Yep. Who likes celery and hummus? Not me, but it's good for you. It's alright, but it's good though. Anyway. Do you guys hear that crunch, y'all? Wow. I'm steaming. See that? Steam to the left. Steam to the right. Quick steam now, y'all. I'm just being silly. Alright. When the potatoes are done, I'll get back to you guys, okay? Alright guys, timer's up. So the potatoes have been here for 15 minutes. I'm gonna add the broccoli. I have about 1.5 pounds of broccoli. Now I'm gonna add it on here. Not everything though. I'm gonna blitz this. Most of it. Let's see. I'll show you guys in a minute what I'm doing. So I left like a little bit. I'm gonna chop those up finally. So anyway, I threw this in here, the broccoli. I'm gonna put my milk, 2 cups of milk. Okay. I think I'm probably gonna add some more later, but this is just to cook the broccoli and the potatoes more. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, okay? Come look. All right, there you go. You see that? I'm probably gonna add 1 more cup of milk, and I'm gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes. Then I'm going to blend this. Alright guys, it's time. The steam will lessen up in a bit. I'm gonna get my awesome thingamajiggy. Oh shoot. You gotta do that. You gotta twist. There you go, blooper for you. Alright, I'm going ahead and blitz this. Once I finish this, I'm gonna show you guys how it's like. Alright, there you go. So you see how everything is creamy now? Looks really good. And look how good that looks. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff, like the other broccoli florets, the carrots, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, and some half and half. Well, not half and half, but whipping cream, and another cup of milk. I'll show you guys more in a bit. Alright, now's the time I add the stuff that I said I'm going to add. I have the heat on low. Okay. Going to add the carrots. This is about 1 cup of shredded carrots. I'm going to add the broccoli florets that I cut up. See that? You can't have enough broccoli. I mean, come on. Come on there. Ooh, it's starting to bubble again. Starting to bubble again. Okay. An ingredient that I forgot to mention was the cheese. Let me add this. So this is 1 cup of half and half and 1 cup of milk, okay? And then let's add some onion powder. Yummy! I didn't have onions, okay? If I did, I would actually use my onion. I did add garlic, but I mean, can't go wrong with garlic powder or anything garlic. A little bit of paprika, just a little shaky, huh? There you go. And some more black pepper. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how this looks like. Now I'm not going to add salt yet, so I want to taste it. And the cheese I'm going to add last, but this is looking really darn good. Let me taste it. I have it on very, very low right now. And it's going to continue being low for maybe like 15 minutes. So let's taste this. Okay. And I'm going to eat this with croissant. Okay. Croissant. Which I'm terrified opening this thing. So. Alright. Let's taste this. Look how it looks. Wow, can you see? Wow! Hot. I dropped my thing. Tastes really good. Needs salt though. I didn't add any salt, remember? Let's add some salt, salt. Let's add some salt. I have it very fine, so it's not like a lot coming out. But for the first time you're making broccoli and cheese soup, I mean, it's amazing. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn good, my friends. Pretty darn good. Now, I have 2 cups of shredded cheese. put some in here. All 2 cups go in. What? I'm gonna show you guys this. This just looks so good. Like, look at that, guys. Seriously. So good. See that? What? Like, come on. This looks amazing, guys. This is like Panera bread status, yo. So good. I'm gonna have my sister try this recipe. She's like always like, make videos, I can see how you did it. So, let's see. But you see, like, I'm actually like using a good amount of pressure of mixing this, and it's nice and thick. Like, you can feel the resistance. It's really good. So I'm gonna keep it at low for another 10 minutes. And it's done. Alright guys, this is it. Look how creamy it is. It's really good. And I made some croissants and I don't know how to roll those things out, so they look like this. I assure you, they taste really good. Really, really good. Let's see. See, they're nice and fluffy. They taste really good. Let's get this little one right here. Not even burnt. Look at that. What? Let's have a taste test, shall we? Let's try this. It's hot, but it's really good. Yummy. All right, guys, this is it. Look at that. Look at this. So, let me be with my croissant and my soupy. And there you go. Hope you like my recipe. It's not like a recipe that you see a lot of people do, but like as far as my style, I just like to throw whatever I find in there, and many times I wing it. How many of you guys are wingers? Bye. Thanks for coming. Oh, if you like this, subscribe, like my video. That'll mean a lot to me. All right? Peace.